we're gonna make a classic margarita. It's authentic, it's inside of the Taco Tuesday cookbook and in Tequila O'Clock. First things first, if you like a salted rim, make sure to grab a lime wedge and rub it all around the rim of your glass. Let me know in the comments if you are a salty rim person or not. Personally, I am not. And then I'm going to take that rim and dip it in my margarita salt. You can use fine salt or coarser salt. You're gonna need a shaker and a jigger. A jigger is a little measuring tool which gives you the exact amount. It's super important with cocktails, so you know how much you're adding. Now, I'm starting out with tequila. Tequila, you wanna use something that's good and tastes good. The better the ingredients, the better your margarita. I'm gonna measure out 1.5 ounces of tequila. Now, margaritas are kind of personal and there's lots of ratios out there. Now, this is what I like. I learned these ratios in Mexico City in a tequila bar tour. You're also gonna need Cointreau. Cointreau is an orange liqueur. You can also get triple sec to make a margarita. That's how you know it's not a cocktail. A margarita always has triple sec or Cointreau. We're also gonna add 1.5 ounces. And then limes, always fresh for a margarita. So I'm gonna slice it in half and juice it. If you have one of these little tools, put the lime facing down and then I squeeze it right into my jigger and measure it out. Some limes have more juice than others. 1.25 ounce of lime juice. Now, personally, I think the margarita is great as is. I rarely add simple syrup, but if you want yours on the sweeter side, we'll add simple syrup. Simple syrup is just water and sugar and in a 1-to-1 ratio. You can buy it or make it. We're adding 1/2 ounce. I'm gonna put on the shaker, close our lid and shake it. Now, you always want to shake it more than you think you need because shaking your cocktail not only combines the ingredients that you added, but it also dilutes some of the ice and gives you more volume. The shaker lids have a little cap. You can always pour some in the cap and taste it. It's really great. And then you can pour your margarita with the ice as is, or if you're like me and like fresh ice, and then we pour a drink. Slice a fresh lime wedge and serve it right on the side. So good. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's Tequila O'Clock. The measurement right below the video. Cheers.